Hello guys, this is Naresh here from NM Global Trades. Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss about market summary for March 2nd week. We are going to talk about Nifty and Bank Nifty and some stocks which we are having in our watch list, and how we are executing those trades and what are our plans behind those trades. So now first let's talk about Nifty. When it comes to Nifty right now, my view on Nifty is it's like a sell on rise kind of market. So how I can tell that this particular day, if you observe, earlier day we had a good move, then this particular day we had a good gap down happened, and market started moving up, and from here from here it went off. Then end of the day we got a correction, so that correction continued for next day. Even in next day also it opened gap down. This particular day it went till this point, till this high, somewhere around like previous day close price, somewhere till this price it went, and again it had a fall, and end of the day it made a new intraday low, right? So here when market tried reaching this resistance level, it fell. Again here it made this as a fresh resistance, again it fell. And this particular day, this current day of trading, what you observe, it opened a kind of a gap up. I can tell a good a small good gap up around these areas, and initially it started moving. Exactly it took resistance at these levels and it failed, right? End of the day it made a new intraday lows, correct? So with these scenarios, let's understand like now what's happening on Nifty. So let's say this is a high point, and this is where we got something of like lower high. Then again we have a lower high here, right? This particular day it broke this lower high. So mostly the sentiment has to change, right? Because if you observe here, this is something which is very crucial level for Nifty, that is 14,975, and today it even opened above this level, so it opened bullish, but it is taking this lower high as a resistance. It's unable to sustain further, and finally it broke, or it made a new intraday low, and as well as it closed below this a significant level, that is 14,975. So with this, what I am understanding on a current market scenario, it's completely going on sell on rise kind of scenario. So in coming trading sessions, what I am expecting, so I am expecting a good gap up around these areas, and if it's taking moving towards this resistance zone, then there will be very high probability of shorting, because you understand the scenario of market. It's going on, as I said, it's going on sell on rise kind of scenario, right? So this is one of the scenario I am expecting can happen. In other terms, like Nifty can give up this level, once it's open, it can start giving up this level. For this, important would be it has to sacrifice this level also, this particular day low, because this particular day, if you see, it formed on daily time frame, it formed a kind of higher high candle, right? Let's say here, I mean, even though it's a red candle, it formed a higher high candle. So this particular low would become a crucial level for Nifty now. I mean, I can tell like a sentimental level, because only when this level is giving up, so we can tell, I mean, this negative moment is continuing. If market is opening somewhere around these zones and if it's sacrificing this. Otherwise, as I said in first scenario, market has to open gap up, then take resistance, and it has to fall further. The third scenario also can happen, like maybe market can kind of consolidate in these ranges, and it will take a breakout on either side, either on top side or on bottom side. So one thing I want to make sure here, it's not like, you know, every market is tradable. Sometimes we have to give the time for the market to form that ranges, then we have to take an action, right? So with that view on Nifty, so I am most likely I would be seeing, I mean, taking live market decisions. I mean, particularly when I am seeing how the price action is happening around these levels. Let's go ahead and discuss with Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also looks like a similar scenario kind of Nifty. All right. So here, if you observe on Bank Nifty, these are the swings it created, and these are the important levels. Today also it broke. I mean, let's go to 15 minutes and check out. So today also it broke this high, but it's unable to sustain around highs. So same scenario is going on with Bank Nifty also. It's going with like sell on rise kind of scenario. As I said, for Nifty, you know, these lows are important, right? So same with the case of Bank Nifty also, and this level is going to be a crucial level for Bank Nifty. So that is 35,425. So this is my, I mean, approach, what I am looking towards market. So if there is anything, definitely I would be updating in our Telegram channel also. So I mean, today we had chance in trading some stocks, but today market, I don't tell, I mean, it's very good kind of in a scenario, because like initially, you know, it opened good, but we unable to see that up move to continue. Because if you see in like 5 minutes, let's say morning it opened and immediately it shot up, then it started reversing, right? It took this day high as a resistance, I mean this particular day high as a resistance, and it started reversing. So today we had some stocks in our watch list which I have posted earlier in our Telegram channel also. Today we got some not very good opportunity, I tell, like some good opportunities in Reliance as well as like IndusInd Bank. So morning we had Wipro. I mean, Wipro, there is nothing like, you know, I had my plans to trade long above these levels, but it did not give any opportunities. Ultratech Cement, I mean, this is a zone I was looking for shorts, but straight away, you know, it moved off. So there is nothing shorting chances in Ultratech Cement also. So SBN, actually I had view on buying side. I mean, we got an opportunity, but I mean, I was unable to execute this SBI trade. Then I had Reliance. So Reliance, these I had, I mean, some levels, I mean, these are the resistance what I had. I mean, this is one of the important resistance level. So this is where, if you see on Reliance, this particular day, I mean, it had a very good run. So here it's creating a resistance. So exactly this particular day, I mean this current day, we had a good shorting opportunity here. So we executed Reliance with good ample amount of risk and reward. But I mean this particular trade I didn't get chance to give on Telegram channel because I have taken it bit late, actually somewhere around here I have taken. So that's the reason, I mean I avoided Reliance today posting in Telegram channel. And BPCL also had something to short around this, but I mean there is a huge something like huge price action happened, then again it went and touched this level, then again it broke out. So I mean I was not clear with a BPCL trend actually. So then we had IndusInd Bank also for good trading. So I expected IndusInd Bank to consolidate for some time here and should give a short opportunity, but you know immediately it gave these levels, and here we got some opportunity, but it was very quick, so I am unable to execute this opportunity also. So overall today we traded only in Reliance on short side, and with this I mean I can conclude this market summary for the week. So mostly my expectation on Nifty, I mean my how I can tell, like I have something, you know, feeling like Nifty has to open on a good gap up, then it has to take resistance around this and it has to fall. That is what I am anticipating. So we don't know, like you know what happens in market when I mean until unless the market opens, right? So let's see, I mean how it goes, and accordingly we'll take some good decisions and we'll trade accordingly. So that's it for this video. So hope you all liking this content. If you like this video, kindly share with your you know friends or who is interested in trading, so that it can be useful to them also. So with this, I mean I will conclude this video, and see you all in next video. Take care.